Coffee isn't just a morning pick-me-up for millions of older adults. For some, it may actually be stealing muscle strength, while for others, it can help rebuild it faster than the most expensive supplement on the market. After age 60, your body naturally loses up to 8% of its muscle every decade, increasing the risk of falls, fractures, and even early death. But here's the surprising part. When you combine coffee with certain natural ingredients, that same cup can become one of the most powerful forms of daily medicine. Buried inside overlooked studies are ingredients that reduce inflammation, protect arteries, burn stubborn belly fat, and even help rebuild lost muscle tissue. Big companies rarely talk about them because there's no billion-dollar profit hiding in these simple, natural options. Today, you'll discover 8 proven additions you can stir into your coffee each morning, ranked from number 8 all the way to number 1. Make sure you stay with me until the end because ingredient number 4 is so powerful that one study found it improved mobility in seniors by more than 40%, yet very few people in the West even know about it. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, how old are you, where are you watching from, and how's your health been lately? Drop your answers in the comments. My team and I read every single one. Number 8, cinnamon. Most people think of cinnamon only as a holiday spice, but when you mix it into coffee, it becomes a real muscle-supporting powerhouse. Cinnamon is rich in compounds that calm inflammation, improve circulation, and, most importantly, stabilize blood sugar levels. That last point is vital for seniors because blood sugar swings quietly drain your muscles of energy and speed up muscle loss. Take John, 68. He often felt exhausted after lunch and noticed his legs growing weaker on the stairs. His wife suggested sprinkling cinnamon into his morning coffee. He wasn't convinced, but decided to try it. Within weeks, his afternoon energy improved, his legs felt lighter, and his blood sugar dropped by almost 20 points. Even his doctor was surprised, all from 1 teaspoon of cinnamon a day. The science supports it. Spiking blood sugar leads to insulin surges that block muscle cells from properly absorbing nutrients. Cinnamon smooths those highs and lows, giving your muscles steady fuel instead of short bursts. Use about 1/2 teaspoon daily in your morning cup. For the best results, choose Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon. It contains far less coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large amounts. Cinnamon adds flavor without calories or sugar, turning coffee into a metabolic ally instead of a blood sugar enemy. Sometimes, the simplest tweaks truly bring the biggest rewards. Number 7, cocoa powder. Yes, the same cocoa used in hot chocolate becomes a secret weapon when added, unsweetened, to coffee. Cocoa is packed with flavonols, plant compounds shown to boost blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support muscle repair. For older adults, circulation is everything. When blood flow weakens with age, your muscles get less oxygen and fewer nutrients, leaving them tired and stiff. Cocoa helps reverse that. Take Evelyn, 72. She loved her morning coffee but dreaded how heavy her legs felt on her daily walks. Her grandson suggested she stir a teaspoon of cocoa into her cup. It sounded odd, but she gave it a try. Within weeks, her walks felt easier, her energy improved, and her blood pressure dropped at her next checkup. Science explains why. Flavonols help blood vessels relax, improving oxygen delivery to muscles. When paired with coffee's natural caffeine, cocoa gives you energy and better circulation at once. Just 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder is enough. Avoid sugary mixes, they cancel the benefits. Cocoa adds a deep, smooth taste and genuine muscle support for pennies a day. Number 6, coconut oil or MCT oil. This one might sound strange, but it's a long-standing habit in parts of Asia where older adults use it to energize both body and brain. For seniors, it's more than a fad, it's a way to stabilize energy, protect muscles, and even support healthy fat loss. Medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, from coconut oil are quickly turned into ketones, a clean fuel source for muscles and brain. As we age, the body becomes less efficient at burning glucose, which explains fatigue, brain fog, and muscle weakness. Switching to ketones gives you long-lasting energy without sugar crashes. Harold, 69, used to feel jittery mid-morning and reach for snacks just to stay awake. His son told him to blend a teaspoon of MCT oil into his coffee. He joked that he didn't want greasy coffee, but tried it anyway. Within days, his energy stayed even until lunch, his cravings faded, and over 2 months he lost 7 pounds from his waist. His doctor noticed better energy readings too. Start with 1 teaspoon, then increase slowly. Blend it for a creamy texture. Over time, this trains your body to burn fat efficiently while keeping muscles energized all day. Coconut and MCT oils show that muscles aren't fueled by sugar alone. The right fats keep you steady and strong, especially after 60. Number 5. Milk or soy milk. Adding milk or soy milk may seem ordinary, but it quietly turns your coffee into a muscle-protecting drink. Milk gives you complete protein, full of essential amino acids like leucine, which triggers muscle growth. Soy milk offers a plant-based alternative rich in protein and isoflavones, compounds that support bone and heart health. For seniors, every gram of protein matters. Even a small amount added to coffee helps prevent overnight muscle loss. Dolores, 72, drank black coffee for decades, believing it was the healthier choice. But her daughter, a nurse, noticed her arms thinning. She suggested adding soy milk to her coffee. After a few months, Dolores could lift grocery bags again and her bone density tests even improved slightly. Half a cup of milk or soy milk adds 4 to 6 grams of protein, enough to make a real difference. Choose lactose-free if needed, or fortified soy milk if you prefer plant-based. Skip sugary creamers. Milk or soy milk strengthens muscles, bones, and energy at once. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit the like button and subscribe to Senior Health TV for more simple, science-backed tips. Let us know in the comments how your health journey's going. Number 4. Collagen powder. Collagen isn't just for beauty. It's the glue that keeps your muscles, joints, and bones strong. After 60, your body's collagen production drops by about 1% each year, leading to stiffness, joint pain, and slower recovery. Adding collagen to coffee can reverse that decline. Robert, 70, loved gardening but dreaded the soreness afterward. A neighbor suggested collagen powder. Within 2 months, his knees hurt less, movement felt easier, and he could kneel again without pain. Collagen provides amino acids like glycine and proline, which repair connective tissue and muscle fibers. 1 scoop adds roughly 10 grams of protein that dissolves into coffee with no flavor. Because coffee increases circulation, it helps collagen reach your muscles and joints faster. A 2022 study found seniors who took collagen experienced less joint pain, faster muscle recovery, and better flexibility. Collagen proves strength after 60 isn't about lifting more weights, it's about giving your body the materials it's running low on. Number 3. Whey protein powder. Whey protein isn't just for athletes, it's one of the best tools seniors can use to rebuild muscle. After 60, your body becomes less responsive to protein, a process called anabolic resistance. That means the same amount of protein that once maintained your muscles no longer does the job. Whey protein is rich in leucine, which switches on your body's muscle-building mechanism. Without it, the body struggles to repair tissue. In one study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who used whey protein gained 38% more lean muscle than those who didn't. Another study found it improved strength, balance, and walking speed. Helen, 67, was active but noticed her arms weakening and stairs becoming harder. Her son suggested she mix whey protein into her coffee. She worried it'd taste chalky, but soon noticed firmer arms, steadier legs, and higher lean muscle readings at her checkup. Use 1 scoop of unflavored whey isolate in hot coffee. It dissolves easily, adds no sugar, and gives you pure protein when your body needs it most. Muscle loss after 60 isn't fate, it's a nutrition problem, and whey helps fix it. Number 2. Chia seeds. Tiny, tasteless, and often ignored, chia seeds are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can add to coffee. When ground, they release fiber, omega-3s, and plant-based protein, all vital for muscle, joint, and brain health. Most older adults get less than half the daily fiber and omega-3s they need, which speeds up muscle loss and memory decline. Chia seeds help correct that. George, 70, battled fatigue, belly fat, and poor digestion. His daughter, a nutritionist, told him to grind chia seeds and add a teaspoon to his coffee. Within weeks, he noticed smoother digestion, a smaller waist, and easier movement. "It feels like I oiled my engine," he joked. Grind the seeds before use. Whole seeds can pass through undigested. Stir 1 to 2 teaspoons into coffee for a creamy, slightly nutty drink that nourishes muscles and joints. Small seed, big impact. Number 1. Turmeric with black pepper. This golden combination may look like a spice mix, but it's one of nature's most potent anti-aging tools. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to reduce inflammation, protect arteries, and improve muscle recovery. The catch? Your body can't absorb it well unless you add black pepper, which increases absorption by up to 2,000%. Inflammation is the hidden thief of strength after 60. It weakens muscles, stiffens joints, and contributes to arthritis, heart disease, and memory decline. Turmeric helps fight all of that. Satoshi, 73, loved gardening but knee pain made it unbearable. His daughter told him to mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper into coffee. Within weeks, his swelling dropped, his pain eased, and his doctor said his inflammation markers had improved dramatically. If the flavor feels strong, add a bit of cinnamon or honey. Coffee's warmth helps activate curcumin, while black pepper ensures your body can use it. Turmeric with black pepper proves aging doesn't have to mean decline. It helps you move freely, think clearly, and stay independent well into your later years. This video is for educational purposes only. Always check with your doctor before changing your diet, especially if you take medication. Let's quickly recap the 8 powerful additions to coffee that can help rebuild muscle and protect your health after 60. 1. Cinnamon, steady blood sugar. 2. Cocoa, better circulation. 3. Coconut or MCT oil, clean, lasting energy. 4. Milk or soy milk, protein and bone support. 5. Collagen, joint and tissue repair. 6. Whey protein, stronger muscles. 7. Chia seeds, fiber and omega-3s. 8. Turmeric with black pepper, inflammation control. Each one is simple, affordable, and backed by research. Together, they can turn your daily coffee into a health-building ritual. So, which will you try first, cinnamon, whey, or turmeric? Let me know in the comments.